Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Morning.
It's day 9, I think.
It is, I think, yes.
Today we're going into Disney Springs this morning to meet Mark from Fun and Fancy Free Floridians.
We're going to give Gideon's a go.
Yeah.
We know a lot of people have different opinions about this place, so we're going to find out for ourselves.
Yeah, the people seem to really love it or really hate it.
Yeah.
So I'm interested to see. He's got into the queue, I think, already.
Yes, he's amazing.
So we're going to meet him there. Yeah. And then I think we've got Hollywood Studios booked, so we might pop in for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we've got
Chef Arts.
Right.
That Springs for later.
That was one of John's favourite restaurants from the last trip.
Yeah, so hopefully it still is.
Yeah.
Because, it's a nice restaurant, what I remember of it.
Yeah.
So, we have to see if it still is.
Yeah, so I guess we don't really know what the rest of the day will bring.
No.
But we better
start with a cookie.
Right. What a healthy breakfast.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Look at that.
That's the regular chocolate chip.
Okay. And wow.
The triple chocolate.
Yes. And a cold brew.
So try that first then.
Oh my god.
Right, fastest.
That's good.
Yeah?
That's so good.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah?
That's really good.
I like the regular chocolate chip better than the triple.
Okay.
They're a little bit salty. And they're thick.
I love them both.
Oh, they've got salt in them, that's why.
The cold brew's amazing. I'm definitely in camp for this.
Yeah?
This is definitely my place, yeah.
Okay, let us know down below if you like Gideon's or not. We just made purchases.
We have, now we're on our way to studios.
Car park's a bit busier now.
Just a bit, yeah. Good to have got a good spot.
Yeah, right. But yeah, heading into Springs. No,
we are
heading into Hollywood Studios.
That was nice, eh?
Yeah.
It was good that we done Gideon's. I didn't think we was going to give that a go, but we did.
It was a nice slow start to the morning.
Yeah.
So.
The coffee was lovely.
Yeah.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
We did preferred parking today.
Yes, we're doing Disney right. The trams are not running, so you've got to be done.
Yeah, the trams at Magic Kingdom are running, but not at any of the other parks. And it's just, I just don't want to today.
Well, I think it's doing Disney right, doing preferred parking. It was only like $25. So.
It's $25, but then you're right by the tram station there.
Yeah.
The Skyliner. So it's closer.
And it's good for all the parks if we did decide to go to a different park today. I don't think we are, but if we did decide.
Yeah, we could use it in any of them, so.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's not bad. We're going to do a couple of rides, maybe have lunch.
Yes.
What even is the time? 11:15. Maybe go on the Skyliner to nowhere.
Okay.
Because I quite like the Skyliner.
I like a Skyliner, yeah.
And we could just get it to go around, do a loop or something, if we feel like it.
We'll just see how it goes. We've got no really massive plan. We're just gonna see how it goes.
I'd like to see the Voyage of the Little Mermaid.
Yes, you've been on about that one, so yeah, we need to do that.
And also, John's making lots of noise. And also, when we came in the other day with Bob and Kelly, we went into Walt's thing.
Yes.
I always like to do the movie at the end of that.
Yeah, that's
And we
good.
didn't get time to do that, so maybe we'll do that today.
Okay. Yeah, so we see where we do for a couple of hours.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to do?
No, I'm happy to go.
Frozen
along
sing
with
along?
Maybe, yeah, I'm happy to just see how we get on.
Right, cool. That'll be fun then. I think I'm stalling the walk.
Yeah, it's not that far from you there.
It's not far.
Preferred parking's amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you haven't done it before and trams are not running, it's worth it.
Especially if there's like a full car. I mean, there's only the two of us today,
Yeah.
and we probably could do without it, but it's quite far back over there. And if there's like a lot of you and you're near the end of the trip, like we're on day 9 and we've
Yeah.
done like 20-odd thousand steps a day, and you know, we're just a...
It's definitely worth it. I do like it. It's definitely doing Disney right, in my opinion.
Yeah.
If the tram's not running, don't make it hard for yourself. Just
No.
It's worth $25, I
Yeah,
think.
especially like driving in, you're a bit further away. Like tomorrow we're in Epcot all day,
Yeah.
so we'll probably get the bus because the bus station is right by the front.
Maybe.
But the
yeah.
car, because the car park, they're getting lots of cars in.
Yeah.
You know. So, anyways,
Let's do it.
let's go in.
Restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
The 50th one.
Yeah, I'm not keen on that now. Everyone's. It's not bad.
You've got your favourites, haven't you?
Yeah, I think so. I don't need any more.
Hand in hand.
We're gonna watch I think it's one man stream, but
I
it
think it
also
is.
could be a preview. We've been here when it's been a
But it's
preview
okay. We
before.
quite like both. So yeah.
We're not bothered.
It's
But
only
it's
12 minutes.
12 minutes and we're gonna do that, and then
Yeah.
we're gonna head on Slinky, I think.
We are. We're going to try.
Yeah.
Yes, why not? Never knew vote for us.
Yeah, everybody says this one's really good, so it's made me a bit nervous.
Why?
Because it might be really fast.
Okay. It'll be fun.
Also, I've been saying all day we're going to watch The Voyage of the Little Mermaid, and it's not
look
even
like it's
back.
It doesn't look like it is. There's no one outside. There's no wait time. There's
Everything's
the
closed
buzzy
up.
bits are not open.
Yeah.
So yeah, it doesn't look like it's
The
bad.
Beauty and the Beast one is on,
Okay.
and so is the Frozen sing-along.
Okay, well,
So
we
we'll
can do
do
whatever.
those,
Yeah.
but the Little Mermaid one was my favourite.
It was good. Yeah, we have seen it though, so it's alright.
It's alright. I was excited for it.
It's alright.
We'll have to come back. I don't think we've seen that before.
I don't think we've seen it, but I'm so glad we did. That was
was
amazing.
nice.
It was really nice, yeah. What a guy.
Yeah, right?
What a guy. Walt Disney. Amazing. I mean, most of the stuff I knew, but wow.
Yeah.
It was awesome. I mean, to go from being broke to make a company like this is wow. You know, fair play to it.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go to Slinky Dog.
We are, yes. Yeah, a new vote for us, so I'm looking forward to this.
I'm nervous.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like it's not as scary as some of the stuff I've done, but I'm still nervous.
Building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Let up high, now we climb.
I'm nervous.
Why?
I don't know.
It's going to be amazing.
It'll be fun.
I'm looking forward to it, right? So many people like it. I'm so
Yeah.
looking forward.
Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
Oh, it looks cool. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm stressed.
Here we go.
Oh, sugar. Okay, I didn't need to be scared.
That was so good. I really, really enjoyed that.
That's one of my favourites, I think.
I keep on saying it, but I think it's one of my favourites as well. It's so good.
I like
that.
the woo bit. So.
And you can see Star Wars, Tower of Terror. Awesome. I really enjoyed that. Really good. I'm glad we've done that one. Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So we're gonna grab a cold drink, I think.
Yep.
And then head over to Frozen Sing-Along.
Why not? Let's do it.
It was a dark and stormy night. No, it wasn't.
For the trolls, and if you don't know what a troll is, consider yourself lucky. They're mischievous creatures with strange magic, and I've never been a fan since one of them rolled over my toe. And I had to watch him go. And now it's my toe, no mo.
Only an act of true love can thaw a frozen heart.
Is he British?
Yeah, he's a Rolling Stone.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn.
I love Frozen.
That was really, really good. Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
We had a different Eric
We did.
last time.
I prefer the last time, only because I've seen him a couple of times, I think.
I liked this one actually.
He was good. He was really good. I like the woman. She was really good. They're really funny. It's always really fun.
They're my favourite bits actually.
Yeah.
And like when Kristoff comes out and everyone's like, oh.
It is always really fun. I do enjoy it.
Yeah.
Last time we seen it, it was a Christmas overlay to it.
Yeah, it was.
So yeah, it was
And
good to
Olaf
see
came
about
out
it.
last time.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
But he didn't come out this time. But we're gonna head over on the Skyliner and we're gonna walk through the shops.
Yep.
And then head over on the Skyliner and get a crepe, I think.
Why not? Yeah,
'Cause
we
John
like this
wants
guy,
a
right?
crate.
Yeah, we haven't had one yet, so why not?
Why not?
Yeah, look at a few shops on the way out, and then whatever else.
See
from
where
there.
there's- yeah, so we
see
can
where they
either-
take us.
We can either hang out in Epcot a bit, which I don't think we should do because
We in Epcot tonight.
tomorrow.
No, yes, that's right. We did Swigs tonight.
Yeah. So I don't think we should do that, but we could come back here and do some more things,
Yeah.
or we could go back, chill for a bit before dinner.
Yeah.
Head into Springs early. So
It's warming up nicely now, though.
it's very hot. So yeah,
So,
wherever there is shade, that'll
We
be good.
see what we get up to because
Yeah.
we don't know yet. So I guess you find out when we find out.
A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
There's John's car.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.